Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Vrbo website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Vrbo and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link and then tap on the profile icon at the top right of your screen. You can either sign in as an owner or you can hit sign in. For now, we're just going to be tapping on sign in. Here you can continue with the email or you can continue with Google, Apple or Facebook. For now, we're going to be continuing with email and enter your email address and then hit continue. After this, a 6-digit code will be sent to your email address. Open Gmail on your device or the email that you set up your account with. Head over to your inbox. You may have to refresh your inbox. Long press on the code sent to you. Hit copy. Open the Vrbo website again. Hit paste and then hit continue. You will then have logged into the Vrbo website and then you'll be able to access any bookings or sites. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.